Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack your files into RAR or zip archives on your TCL 306. So in order to do that, we'll need to locate our files first, and mine are located in DCIM and then camera. Now select all the files you want to pack by pressing on this button next to it. Now, after doing so, simply press on this plus button and you'll be able to create the RAR or zip file. You can change its name first, so let's pick a name, pictures, in this example. You can set the password for this archive, simply do it however you want. I'm gonna use 123, and then if you're not sure that you typed it in correctly, you can show the password or encrypt the file names as well. Press OK to save that, and you'll be able to change extension for your file from RAR to zip to RAR 4.x. I'm gonna go for RAR, and you can also delete files after archiving or create solid archives. In the advanced options you can change any other settings, and in the options you can find some of the options. In the comments you can leave any comment about your RAR or zip file, and after setting everything up you can press OK in order to pack this file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.